Hello, I'm currently learning how to use emmet, which is this thing that you can use to help make writing up HTML easier. So I have it installed as a plugin on Sublime Text here, and what you see here is a line where at the end, when I hit tab at the end, it will expand. And what this line is saying is give me a div tag with the container class attribute, and inside that div give me a paragraph with some lorem ipsum, and the plus is supposed to mean a sibling. So this second paragraph shouldn't be nested under the first paragraph, but as you'll see when I hit tab, that's exactly what it does. Although the plus sign does mean sibling, and the initial understanding should be that this paragraph should be following the first paragraph and not nested in it. That's not the case. So when you want to do that in this situation, instead of using plus, you use the caret. And if I got this right, I hit tab, and there you go. So here's the first paragraph, the end of the first paragraph, and then the second paragraph as a sibling to the first paragraph. It's no longer nested in the first. I just wanted to make a quick video of this to remember that, because I know I'll forget. This helps. I hope it helps. Thank you. All right.